Hello, hello, it's Miss Thompson and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be reviewing Monsoon Asia, the countries and the physical features. So let's start off with the countries first. So up here, up top, right below Russia, we're going to have Mongolia. And then right below Mongolia, this big country here, the way I remember it is that it looks like a chicken, so it's China. So then when we go to the east, this country right here is North Korea, and right below it is South Korea. And then we go further east, this chain of islands is gonna be Japan. So then moving down, so off the coast of China, this country that my cursor is on right now, that is Taiwan. So let's move over to the west. So this country, this huge country, is going to be India. And then off the coast of India to the south, this country is Sri Lanka. So moving back up, right here between China and India is Nepal. And then this small country here is going to be Bhutan. And then this country right to the east of India is Bangladesh. So this piece of land here is also connected to India, so don't be fooled. This isn't another country. This is just another part of India. So this country here next to India and under China, this is Myanmar or Burma. So these countries here, you're going to want to remember them all together. So if we start on this side, snaking all the way down is Vietnam. And then next to Vietnam, this country here is Laos. So under Laos, next to Vietnam is Cambodia. And then directly above Cambodia, this is Thailand. So Thailand snakes down here. So then this country, which also continues over here, this is going to be Malaysia. So this dark spot that my cursor is right next to on the bottom part of Malaysia, that's Singapore. So don't forget that Singapore is there. It's very small. Another part that you can't forget, so right below where my cursor is, that dark spot where Malaysia is, that's gonna be Brunei. So don't forget tiny Singapore and tiny Brunei. So then these islands here, this is gonna be Indonesia. Even though this smaller part right here, this is gonna be East Timor. And then these chains of islands right here is the Philippines. Okay, so now let's talk about physical features. So at the southern border of Mongolia are the Atlas Mountains. And around this area in Mongolia and China is going to be the Gobi Desert. So towards the western end of China over here is gonna be the Taklamakan Desert. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. So if we move down into India, we will have the Ganges River flowing in this part, in the northern part of India. And then towards the southern part in this area, we're gonna have the Deccan Plateau. So this body of water by India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, this body of water is going to be the Bay of Bengal. If we move down towards Sri Lanka, this water down here is going to be the Indian Ocean. So now let's move over to Japan. So we'll see the Sea of Japan, or also called the East Sea, is going to be this body of water here between North and South Korea and Japan. So now if we move over here, this body of water between North and South Korea and China is going to be the Yellow Sea. And how you would remember that is there is a river in China around this area that empties into the Yellow Sea. That river is called the Yellow River. So further south of the Yellow River around this area in China is gonna be the Yangtze River. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Sorry if I'm not. So that empties into the East China Sea, which is around Taiwan. Um, so south of China, this body of water here, this is going to be the South China Sea. So, okay, that's all I have for us today. Hopefully this helps you review Monsoon Asia. Thank you. Have a good day.